How to make viral TikTok videos. The first thing you want to do to make viral TikTok videos is to identify trends. Stay updated on current TikTok trends, challenges, and popular songs. All you want to do is click on the search bar, and here you want to search for viral TikTok videos, and here you will find all the latest trends, challenges, and popular songs. Now you want to create your own. Create engaging content by following these trends. Focus on the videos that captivate within the first few seconds. Make it funny, relatable, or visually engaging to grab attention. You also want to use high quality visuals. Ensure that your videos and audios are clear and visually appealing. Make sure you have good lighting, clear audio, and creative editing that will make a huge difference. Next, you want to use trending and relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your video. Don't overuse them, choose a few that are highly relevant. You also want to post consistently. Posting frequently helps you to stay visible. Consistency is key to building an audience over time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.